back to the Diabetic Diet Show.
Here's a great little side dish. So I just used my pasta strainer and I just gave a quick rinse to a yellow pepper. I have some celery here. I just broke it in half so that it'll fit in here. Here's a green onion, and then I have some carrots. Now the carrots, you don't have to do too much to those because they were already sliced. I cheated and bought them sliced. Sometimes I get stuff that way. Look at the carrots. If there's anything you don't like, you get part of an end or something. Kind of have to visually dump those. There we go. Okay, now let's just aside for the moment. Celery. Knock off the ends. Zoom down the center. Keep the tip of the knife down on the board. I like to put my finger on here, my hand this way. I do it. I feel like I get the most control of the knife that way. Some people would tell you to bring your hand up here where it's balanced. I just almost tagged my finger there. I actually felt the knife touch my finger. See, because I'm not used to doing that. So, toe down on the board. Sawing motion. And they say don't bring the knife up higher than your finger. Keep it down on the board. And have a good wastebasket to push stuff in. So setting against my fingers so I can feel where it is. Takes a little while to cut up, but it's worth it. The end off. Just kind of divide these up here a little bit. A few for each one since there's two of us. I'm just kind of making two bowls right away. Get rid of that centerpiece. I don't use it. I'm going to save this and I'm going to use this to sprinkle on top of my pasta. So, there we go. Now, let's talk about vinegar and oil. So, with vinegar and oil, we want twice as much oil as we do vinegar. So, we'll just take one of those little containers. So, here's my olive oil. We'll put in about that much olive oil. And you can eye this up this way. Vinegar. Oil first. You know there's no exact science on this. I don't think anybody will notice if you get it a little wrong. And lastly, salt and pepper. Garlic, sea salt. A pepper. Turn it upside down. Just like that. Pull the center out. Lay it down. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut them in the center. Half there, half there. Let's do it again. Let's get this big part on the bottom. I'm not going to use that for this. Three for there, three for there. And I think that's all I'm going to use for now. That's plenty. And there you have it. There is a quick salad to go with your pasta. Super healthy. Great side dish. Thanks for watching.